this tutorial, I will show you how you can find elements in a Python list. There are many ways to find out any particular element in Python list, which are shown here in using different examples. First one is using in operator. So I will paste the code here. Flower list is a list that contains 5 elements: rose, daffodil, sunflower, poppy, and bluebell. Here, user input will be taken to the user will give any flower name to remove from the list, and using in operator, it will search the particular value in the flower list, and if it is found, then it will give a message: the item is found. Otherwise, it will give unsuccessful message: the item is not found. So I will save the file. Now, if I run it, enter the flower name. Suppose I am entering here poppy. Poppy is found in the list. If I again run, that is marigold. Marigold is not found in the list. In this way, you can search any item in the list using in operator. And in the next example, find the element by using index method. So this example shows the use of index method to search any element in a list. Here, try catch block is used to find any value error, and the list contains 5 elements, and each element is the name of a book, and user will give any book name as input, and by using index method, the book will be searched in the book name will be searched in the list, and if it finds it in the list, then it will return the position where the item value is found. So it will give this message if it get any position value, and if the value is not exist in the list, then a value error will be generated and an error message will be displayed. Okay, now I will run. Suppose I have typed PHP that does not exist in the list, so value error is generated and it is printed book is not found in the list. And if I type the get in the head, suppose I again run the script and type the book name that exists in the list, then it prints this message: book is found in the list. In this way, using index method, you can search any item in a list. Now I'll go for the example 3. Find multiple indices. If you want to search more than one items, then you can use this script. And first of all, I will copy this script and it will explain what the script is doing. Here, selected list is a list that contains the name of 5 persons, and search list is another list that contains the name of 3 persons, and found list is third list that is empty. Here, for loop will iterate the list, selected list with the index and the index value, and if any person name from selected list exists in the search list, then this if condition will be true. And the use of in operator is explained in the first example already. And if this if condition is true, then it will append the item in the empty list, found list. First of all, Sophia does not exist in the list, so this condition will not be true. Next, Isabella also not exist. Olivia, that is exist. Alexandra, that is also exist. Bella, that does not exist. So after appending the found list, again for loop is used to read the search list, and if any item value of search list match with the found list, then it will print that person is selected. So Olivia and Alexander match with this, and these also contained in the found list by using append method. Here you can see Olivia is selected, that exists in the found list. Chewy is not selected because it does not exist in the found list, and Alexandra is selected. So Olivia and Alexandra, these two persons are selected, and Celio from the selected list is not selected. In this way, you can search multiple list items from the list. And next example, find an element using custom function. You can define your own function to search list item. This example shows this way. Here a list food is defined here with 6 item values, and a favorite food will be taken from the user. And this is the custom method find element that can take 2 arguments: list name where you want to search the item, and search element that you want to search. And here if statement is used to get the return value from the custom method. When the user type anything, suppose cake, and here food. Okay, now I will explain the script, and there is an initial error here, so you have to correct it first. Okay, now save the file, and here food is a list that contained 6 elements, and search variable will take the favorite food from the user, and this is the custom method that will take 2 arguments: list name and what item you want to search. After taking the input value in search, the value is converted into lower because all the item values are in lowercase in the list, and call the custom function. After calling it, for loop is used to search the item in the list, and if the item exists, then it will return true. And after iterating all the elements, if the item is not found, then it will return false. And depends on the return value, it will print the message. So if I run the script, suppose I have typed cake, that exists. The cake is found. If I again run the script, banana is not found. And if I again run the script and type pizza in, suppose, capital letter, pizza is also found because it is converted into lowercase. In this way, you can find out element from the list using custom function. And example 5 is to find and count the elements in a list based on length. Here the person list contains 5 elements, and a counter variable you initialize with 0, and particular here the for loop is used to iterate the list and take each item value in name, and if the name of any person is greater than equal to 7, then it will implement the counter. By this way, it will iterate the whole list, and after iterating all the items, if the counter value is more than 6 that contains a person name of 7 or more characters, then it will print this message, otherwise it will print this message. And 4 already exists. And 5. Now if I run the script, then it is showing two persons' name length is more than 7. The two persons' names are Alexandra and another is Isabella. So in this way, you can also search element based on the item length. So this are all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching.